Hello everyone. This question is very tricky and this is very viral maths problem. Nobody solved it very correctly. So can you solve this? And the question is 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. What will be the solution? Many done it wrong. So we will solve it correctly. As you know, if you are from Asian countries, then you can read with BODMAS rule, and if you are from US, you can correct it with PEMDAS. So both are the same. So first we will do this bracket. Right, question 8 divided by 2, and if we solve in this bracket, 2 plus 2 become 4. Okay, and next step, 8 divided by 2 into 4. We can simply write like this. Okay, so many have done wrong here. Like they simply go to 8 divided by 8 and they find answer is 1, which is wrong, because we treat multiplication and division at same level. So when this situation comes, we will solve left to right. Or if you learn from BODMAS rule, we can simply say division comes first, then multiplication. And one thing more, multiplication is not longer more powerful outside the bracket. Okay, so the correct answer will be 8 divided by 2 and 4, and they will divide, and question proper answer will be 4:4, that is equal to 16. So if you find this problem very tricky, subscribe to our channel and go and find out the tricky books in my description.